Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm showing how I redid my cover for the gratitude journal that I made. I made this journal using an image in Canva, and at some point, hopefully, I'll show how I did that. But in this video, it's just showing how I redid my cover because it was just plain cardstock and I had a piece of acetate over it. And it was kind of like flimsy and I didn't like it. So I wanted to use some self-laminating sheets for the cover and a piece of thin chipboard with the help of my Cricut to make a thicker cover, a more durable cover. And so in this video, I'm showing that. And as you can see, I'm showing the supplies that I use to do it. And I'm just going to add some music in the background and show how I did it. Particularly, I want to point out, I should say, how I use the self-laminating sheets on the printout of the image to put through Cricut. Because with Cricut, if you cover up the registration marks with anything glossy, it usually cannot detect it. It cannot detect where the picture is and it won't scan, and therefore it won't cut out the image. So that is an important piece when it comes to using laminate on a printout, a print and cut image for the Cricut. So with that being said, I'm not going to speed up the video. I'm not going to have it going very slow, but it's going to be at a speed where someone, if they're paying close attention, they could learn what I did, and if they want to apply it, they'll be able to apply it without me saying step by step what I'm doing verbally. So with that being said, thanks for watching. God bless you. I pray you enjoy the video. Okay, later.